Tonight, the Child Predator Death Penalty Act is headed to the governor's desk for final signature.
The Alabama Senate gave the bill final passage today after debate. WDHN State Capitol reporter Ryan Hall is in Montgomery with more, all new at 6.
State senators on both sides of the aisle voted to make sex crimes against children punishable by the death penalty. Some Democratic members voted in support of the bill, but the party still has concerns with the effort.
Superman had kryptonite, and this is my kryptonite.
That kryptonite for Senator Bobby Singleton is the Child Predator Death Penalty Act. The bill puts capital punishment on the table for criminals who sexually torture, rape, or sodomize children under 12 in the first degree. Senator April Weaver says she brought the bill after an alleged sex trafficking ring was discovered at an underground bunker in Bibb County.
I believe extreme child sexual abuses like this deserve the death penalty. Crimes against our precious children are the worst of the worst offenses and deserve the worst of the worst punishments.
Senator Vivian Davis figures the only no vote says life imprisonment is a worse punishment for offenders.
My heart goes out to our children. I pray for them all the time, for their protection, even in their homes, with their families, and also strangers. So I appreciate what you're doing, but because of this death penalty, I will have to vote no.
While other Democrats supported the bill, they also expressed concerns over its constitutionality if signed into law.
Your bill doesn't speak to the actual survivors. How are we going to help and support them after they've gone through this?
And I just want to make sure that outside of this incident that we are not having any other unintended consequences, that we look back, because once we do the death penalty, it's over. It's not like, we got the wrong man.
Still, Senator Weaver says the death penalty will be an option, not mandatory, for prosecutors in every case.
I've stated before, I believe there's a special place in hell for people who do this to our children, and today we're one step closer to having a special place for them in Alabama, and that's on death row in the death chamber at Holman Prison.
The bill now heads to Governor Kay Ivey's desk for final signature. On X, Governor Ivey says, quote, "We have to do everything we can to protect Alabama's children." She goes on to say she looks forward to signing the bill into law. In Montgomery, Ryan Hall, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.